Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to manage microphone on your headphones Jabra Evolve2 85. You have to start by open the application and now go to settings at the right top. Then go to headset settings and caller experience. Now scroll down and right here we have used ear cup microphone for calls. So by default these headphones using a normal microphone on your headphones, but also it have the microphones right here in the ear cups. So if you want to use these microphones, did you see these dots? This is a microphone. You just click here. And if you want to use a normal microphone, just disable it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.